Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Air Jordan 1 Wash Pink. Let's get into the unboxing so we can get to the good parts. Alright, so these shoes came out April 22nd. They retail for $180. This is a women's exclusive, but it goes up to a women's 12, which is a men's like 10.5. So I feel like majority of men can get them. Also, size down. So if you are an 11, definitely go for a 10.5 because you can get them. I'm just gonna hold up one shoe and I'm gonna choose one with the pink laces. I also just want to mention that I don't know if it's new, but like my laces came in this, and it just said shoelaces, and it had the pink laces in there. The white laces were already in the shoe. That's enough rambling. Let me get into the shoe and we'll break down the shoe. So, our toe box is white leather. The toe cap is this pink suede that goes all the way up. Our eyelids is the pink suede too. Our tongue is like an off-white color, and we have the Nike Air logo. It's white. The label is white, and the Nike Air is in this pink color that we have on our shoe. Then we have our upper, which is a leather, like a white leather, and our Nike swoosh is the suede pink. Our heel cap is suede pink, which brings us to the lining of our shoe is like the off-white color that is the color of the tongue. And our heel cap also is the suede as well. And then we have our Air Jordan Wings logo in white. And then our midsole is this cream, like the cream off-white color I was talking about. And then our outsole is the pink that you can find all over the shoe. So honestly, it's like a very simple colorway. It's just like white, pink, and like that off-white white. I really do like these shoes a lot. If I had to choose between the turbo green and the wash pink, I'm definitely going with the turbo green because I am a blue girl and those come with like purple laces, but I definitely think that this is a good shoe to have in your collection even if you don't wear it. It's like really dope. Like I said, I didn't really like care for the white laces like that. There's nothing wrong with them. Let me see if you can just get a little closer. It's necessarily nothing wrong with them. I just personally, like, you see the difference? Like, the pink just gives the oomph that we need. The white is cool, but white is like basically because every shoe really comes with white shoestring. So that is why I chose to do the pink. We broke down the shoe and now I'm going to try it on my foot. I'm gonna put both shoes on so you can see on my foot how the white and the pink laces look.
What are you doing? You saying your prayers?
I told y'all about the shoe, broke it down for y'all. Very simple colorway, just really three colors, very similar to the turbo green that came out a couple years ago. Definitely size down a half a size. I'm telling y'all, size down a half a size because even in the 6.5 I have hella room, which I really appreciate, but definitely size down a half because I think the silhouette, the shoes are being made, the structure is a little different. My likes about this shoe is I really like the pink suede. I'm not a pink girl, I'm really like a blue girl, so I liked how I'm a texture girl. You see I'm rubbing my hands. I really love the texture of the shoe. I feel like it just gives it so much more character because it is a different material. So I like shoes that have like a different type of material because we have like suede and we have like the regular leather. I really like that, and yeah, I definitely say go get these shoes. This shoe is a staple piece to have in your closet. Even men too, if you can get your size, go ahead and get these shoes because they're dope. And I know I keep referencing the turbo green, but honestly, you gotta have one in your closet. You got to. There was like a royal blue colorway that came out that was in this family of shoe. I didn't get that shoe, but now that I look back on it, I don't regret it because I feel like I have two staple like suede like material shoes from like this drop. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, DejaXO, and TikTok, DejaXO, and stay tuned. And also, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all like the shoe? Are y'all gonna pass on the shoe? Is it a must-have? Just like literally just let me know.